Hello everybody, today's video we are going to be doing loads of upgrades while the engine's out, including 421 manifold, beautiful. It's silicone coolant hoses. We're also going to be tidying up, painting the engine bay, doing polybushed engine mounts and gearbox mounts, swapping the good loom over to the good engine and putting a good throttle body onto the new engine as well. So thank you for watching and I hope you enjoy. I'm going to do the loom first because I need to make progress. So I started over here where I took the old one off. I started with the alternator, and then what I'll do is I'll plug the new one into the alternator and just 1, 2, 3, 4, you know, just snake it round. So there you go, that's the 3 off, and then I'll slide it off there to make room for my loom. Loom's done, we're back to the hoses now, and the Peter Matrix hoses, I've got these wee attachments you've got to go on to clip on. So let me just show you how I'm going to put that in, just as if just any other connection really. You don't just want to forget this. Squeeze it in. I think that's my maw away. Right, let's get this on. Now that I've got that on, I'm going to stick it on here matrix because it's just easier that way, isn't it, really? Sorted. I'm pretty sure it's that one, if not I'll swap them a bit later on. Bottom radiator hose. Okay guys, almost done. Got 1, 2, 4 hoses to do left. We're on the T-junction now, coming out of the... Is it coming out? Coming out of the thermostat housing. Yep. It's this big long one with a big bend on it. Right guys, that's us done with the hoses. There we go. Although I'm needing this a bit, right? So on the old engine, this one is split, and this wee valve, this wee hose goes into it as well. So I don't know if I need to cut that or not. I'm not going to deal with it now though. I'm going to do the manifold now. I've done the throttle body as well. This is the new throttle body here. This is the old one. There's the new and old next to each other. Old and then new. That the sensor snapped. We could have just changed the sensor, but I feel like, you know, it just looks a bit meh. So manifold time. I'm excited for this one. Let's do it. Yeah, out with the old. They're so beautiful, aren't they? All manifolds are just they're just like a wee octopus. Right, out with the old. Get the old gasket off. Okay. And in with the new. Oh, that's a bad boy, innit, man? That is a bad boy. First things first, gasket. Actually no, first things first, give it a wee clean. Gasket. And the main event, can't even see it on the one, so it's manifold and downpipe on one. So actually, it's going to be a bitch to get into the into the engine bay, into it. So we've got before and after. Look at the difference. Oh, this is going to be mental to try and get into the bay when we've dropped the engine in. Oh, but it's all good fun, isn't it? So next I'm going to paint the engine bay and get ready for the mounts. So I'm going to show you. I actually think it looks pretty good. Might need another recoat here and there, but so it's still wet obviously, hence the shine. Oh, I think it's nice. I think it's good. The I had to paint the mount because the tubby paint spilled on it a wee bit, well, a big bit, but I don't know if it's already kind of cracked, but I've got a new one coming, so don't worry. I've got a new insert, and if the paint affects it, then I'll just get a full one, you know. I don't know if the Polybushed gearbox mount will be in this video, because I ordered one, you know, so it would come in time, and then they messaged me and said, oh, it's not in stock. So I've ordered another one, but it said it could be here tomorrow, Thursday, or it could be here next Tuesday, so it's not giving me an exact date, you know. Now that we've painted the bay, we've also got to paint this, but I'll do that off camera. So this is the old engine mount, or rather, it's not totally done, but it could be better. So we've got Powerflex Polybushed engine mount insert here. So what we're going to do is we're going to slide this in like that. Dead easy. I also have a gearbox one coming, but it's not here yet. I doubt it'll be here in time for this video, so I'll update you in the next one when that's on. Hope it comes before the engine's in, because I don't fancy putting it in after that, you know. Then you've got this wee clip, this little clip here, and then you put, hold on, one side like that, and then you push it in, and then push this one in. You want to get the kind of square it in, there you go, and that's it. Now, absolutely solid, no going anywhere. So that'll look lovely once it's painted and it's in our nice painted bay with the nice new shiny red hoses and that. I'm very, very excited. Next I think we'll do short shifter, I think, while we're in here. It wasn't on my video plan, but I think we'll do it anyway, right? Short shifter. You can do this while the engine's in, no problem, but just while the engine's out, you know, why not? This will be the last mod for the day, because rain's coming on, and I think we've done a decent amount. So, hi, short shifter, oof, and then let me show you where it goes. This is where the short shifters are going to go. So, like that there, almost, you with me? So let me pop this wee thing off. There we go. There we go, there we go. Okay. So let's just slide that up there for now. So it's just basically extending it, really, isn't it? Or shortening it somehow. I'm not really sure how that works. So now, so there's a wee Allen key there that you have to tighten, so I have to go on the floor. Let's just get it in place first. That's a better angle for you there. All that's left to do is for me to tighten up that wee Allen key bit to keep it in place, so I'm going to do that now. Done and dusted. Right guys, thank you very much for watching. This was a fun one for me, you know. It's always nice to get shiny new parts into it. Next week, barring any complications, this engine is going in there, and first start, I'd imagine. I'm waiting for an exhaust to match the manifold, a sports cat. I will probably make that one separate video, but I'll put the engine in one first. If something does happen, you know, a complication arises, I'll let you know in a post or something. So just keep checking the channel. You know, if the engine's not in
by next Sunday there'll be something else on for next Sunday, so there'll be a video. Thanks very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did. It was a fun one. It was quite a, I don't know, quite a boring one to film. No boring, that sounds weird, but it wasn't as exciting as, you know, ripping the engine out. It's just, you know, swapping things, but it was exciting, it was fun for me. I hope it's no boring to watch. Anyway, I'm rambling again. Thanks very much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. See you next week.